Hey guys, what's up? I'm Trinity, and today, nothing. Sorry, I'm over my grandma's house. So I am doing Will You Press the Button on willyoupressthebutton.com. So, first question. You will be able to answer any question. The answer will always be in cryptic rhyme, and everyone will hate you for it. I don't like people, so no, I'm just like, I wouldn't really care. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I don't care. Okay. You have the ability to enter any game world at any time. If you die in real life. Nah, not worth it. Bad.
Yeah! Yeah! Shit!
Dang. My mom's watching the game with my grandparents, so okay. You get to go back in time to kill Hitler, but vaccines there are none. I'm good. New. Bad. You wouldn't have to work out to have a perfect shape, but only you could see it. No, I work out anyway, sort of, because I'm in gymnastics, so I kind of have to. So yeah, no, I'm good. That's stupid. Like, bad. Yeah. Your laptop will never ever run out of battery, but you have to go for a 15-kilometer run every day. I don't have a laptop, but yeah, I like running. So, yeah, good. Works for me. Okay. You have to walk 500 miles, but you have to walk 500 more. No. Why 1,000 miles? Nope, 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 nope. I refuse. Okay. Cure AIDS, but get AIDS and can't use the cure. That's stupid. That is stupid. Oh, good boys. Hello. I'm sorry, the dogs are here. Hi, Snuggles. Come here. Come here. Don't you bite me. Almost trying to bite me. Okay. Everything, but with exception of talking. What does that even mean? I'm good. No, I think I'm good. Ugh. Stupid winter is probably getting me sick. Bad. Could you press it, please? Bad. There we go. Okay. Pressing this button is forbidden, but nothing will happen, and no one will know if you do press it. Sure, I'll press the button. Good. I don't know. Right. Okay. Sorry, I keep having to clear my throat and stuff. Your favorite NHL team wins the Stanley Cup, but their captain drops the cup when he lifts it. Well, yeah, sure, 'cause they win, and it was kind of caught on camera, so yeah, sure. Wait, what if the captain, doesn't lift up the cup? What if the captain doesn't lift up the cup? Another teammate does. Didn't think about that, did you? No, I'm just lying. No, if the captain dropped the cup, everyone would hate them if it broke. Probably would break. I don't know. You get offered a job that pays $200 an hour, but all your coworkers make you feel unwanted and your boss sexually harasses you. Oh, nope. I quit. I refuse. Nope. Yeet. I refuse. I quit on day one. No, I quit. Like, can you guys keep it down? Hey. Can you guys keep it down?
No.
I'm trying to record a video.
Well, you're going to have to do that up in your room.
I don't wanna. I refuse. What the? Okay. You have the powers of Spider-Man, but you have to live the life of Peter Parker. Income. No, I don't care. I really don't. Like, I want to be Spider-Man. That would be awesome. What you looking at me for? No, I'm just playing. What is what? Oh, Snuggle's sick. Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. Alright. You get to live with any celebrity you choose, but they are constantly singing show tunes. I really don't care. I want to live with a celebrity. That'd be awesome. I'd probably choose someone from Hollywood and dead. Why do you guys keep looking at me? Quit looking at me. Big bullies. No, I'm just playing. You become a famous internet meme, but you are Bad Luck Brian. I refuse. I'm good. And Bad Luck Brian, really? You know, no, I'm good. Thank you very much. Have everything you say come true, but anything you say, even in casual conversations, even when you're alone, will come true. Yeah, sure. Wait, what about my birthday? Oh, Mom was just, wait, what was the question? Yeah. My mom was just telling my grandma and Pat about what I'm going to do for my birthday. So I'm going to take 3 friends to Flight Zone with me. And then we're probably going to go out to eat, and they could probably stay overnight or something. So yeah, I think that's going to be really fun, you know. Alright. Good. Date someone who everyone thinks is extremely hot, attractive, or sexy, but you yourself think they are hideous. Well, I would get to make people jealous. Yeah, sure. I'm not very popular in school, so I actually don't like crowds and popularity, so that's why I'm not like a part of that. Yeah, that's the reason. Totally. No, I'm just saying. You have something to my eye. God. Okay, sorry. You have the job of your dreams, and you earn what you want. Give me $1 million an hour. No, I'm just playing. But there will always be a giant hair coming out of your nose, and everyone. Ew! How rude. Making me cry. No, I'm just playing. Okay. Bad. Oh, God. Well, okay, yeah, it's bad. God. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave this video here, so, like this video if you want to see me play more of this game, and I will see you guys, in the next video. Alright, love you guys. Bye. Mwah.